Then I played track. Then I played football. Then I played lacrosse. Excellent question. What is lacrosse? So it's a sport where you have sticks, and the sticks has a pouch.
Oh, I know.
Like that. You run like this, throw the ball to a net. I was afraid of it at first because in lacrosse they can actually hit you with the stick. And that's not cool. It's a part of the game. Yeah, they can just walk up to you.
Did you teach calculus?
I did teach calculus. I'm actually impressed that you know what calculus is, or at least you've heard the word. Do you know what calculus is?
I do know the word.
Intrigued by calculus? Intriguing means interesting. Kind of? You like math? Be honest, it's okay.
Be honest. Be honest.
Maybe I can change this. Okay? I would like to. Right, go ahead.
So, like you said, you made the company, right?
Yes, sir.
How did you invest the money, and how did you make the whole company?
How did I get the bread for it? Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
It's okay. A lot of grinding, actually. So I had 9 to 5 like everybody else, a regular working job. So I had to sacrifice and be disciplined for sure. So when I wanted to, go out, buy fast food, buy shoes and jewelry and whatnot, I had to say no to those things. I needed that money to start the business. It needed the capital. Yes. Why did I stop doing sports? Because I wasn't good enough to get to the Olympics. It was probably the short answer. I ran track, so I wanted to run in the Olympics. I was pretty good, but I was not good enough to make it to the Olympics. So, chips is money. Now, it's not money literally in your pocket. It's money that you would use to spend to go to school first. So college is expensive. It's a lot of money. So you're going to need money to be able to go. Scholarship gave me enough money to pay for the bill to even go. Matter of fact, to add to that, actually, to answer your question more directly, yes, you do get extra money. So let's say the bill to go to school is $10,000. Now, my first year when I went to school, the bill that I got, or the money that I got, was more than $10,000. So I had a little extra. That extra money was literally free money in my pocket. So I did, quote unquote, make some money. Now I wouldn't be reckless with it. I see all y'all going, oh, free money, free money. Please don't.
What college did you go to?
I went to Mount St. Mary's University. It's in Maryland. Yes, Maryland. Not New Jersey, Maryland. So you guys didn't ask me this, but
I thought you was gonna say Rutgers.
why Rutgers? Because it's right down the road.
Well, I don't know.
Rutgers can't see me anyway, so I ran against them too when I was in school. They could not match me. You can shake your head, it's okay, you're in disbelief. But I was born in Brooklyn, in New York, and I was raised in Maryland. I moved to Maryland when I was 4 years old. And I went to high school in DC. You didn't ask me anything. Hey, nothing's off limits. I mean, about me, about math, or anything else too. Sure.
How much do you?
That's what I make. So it ranges because it's an entrepreneurship business, so it's not as consistent as a regular 9 to 5. So it ranges between, I would say, 60 and 80.
How much money do you make per year?
I just told you that.
Wow, really?
Did you hear it at least? It ranges
60K.
between 60 and 80. Okay, there is actually a math tutoring company out there that's in the. Okay. You don't have to do it like that. I heard. So yes, I do. To follow with what she said, that yeah, I wouldn't be doing it if I didn't like it. I would definitely encourage you guys to pick careers that you do like first, because you want to feel good and enjoy what you do, so you're not incredibly stressed, incredibly disappointed at what you do.
Fraction division.
Say that one more time.
Have you tutored fraction division?
It sounded like you want me to teach you fractions and division.
Oh no, I said, did you teach fraction and division?
But you didn't ask me, did I teach it? You asked me, how do you teach it?
No, I like it.
So, Do I teach fractions and division? Yes. Would you like to know what fractions and division is? Sure, I can do that.
That's
Am
what
I
we're
able to
doing.
use this?
Yeah, it should be on if you tap it.
Mr.
Yes, sir.
It's 11 o'clock. We don't have any more time left.
You trying to go, huh? Interesting. Give me a couple more minutes, okay? Just a couple more minutes.
Career day is over.
What?
I'm not hating.
Like, support the man.
Central America? Okay, so at the end of Central America is where Panama is. It's right before South America. It connects North America to. And they speak Spanish. Yes.
I have two questions. Is that your merch that you're wearing? And what position you were in? Were you in football?
Okay, so the pants is not my merch, but the hoodie is. Can you read the joke? Read it out loud.
We all know that 6 was scared of 7 because 7 ate 9. But why did 7 eat 9? Because you're supposed to eat 3 meals a day. That's pretty funny. That's actually really funny. That's actually good.
A knee slapper. Oh. No.
So first of all, flanker back, it's a position where it's like half wide receiver, half running back. So you're familiar with football. So pretend this desk is a line, all the center, offensive tackles and all that, they're right here. The flanker back lines up not on the line like a wide receiver, but a step back. It's called the slot. Make sense?
Would you consider yourself good enough at your job, or do you think that you could always be better?
So let's answer that as concisely as I can. First of all, yes, I am good at what I do. Why? People pay me for it. Would you pay for something that was no good? If, Chick-fil-A sandwiches were bad, would you buy it? If the service. Why? Okay. Are you a philosopher? You're getting real deep, man. Okay. So, it's a great question. Why? Why do people do anything? So why I got into mathematics? 1, because I like it. 2, I'm good at it. 3, I can make money at it. But 4, to give you guys a nice elementary school answer, we all need it. Mathematics, I was telling you earlier, is literally everywhere. Every field, every area of activity, it is there. From manufacturing to art to writing to STEM. It's literally all over the place. And a mastery of mathematics is going to put you guys in the best position to, 1, know the material, be the authority on that subject, and then to tell everybody else what to do when you become a boss in that field. Yes, young lady? So, I don't have a least favorite subject. Okay?
What? But I thought you like math.
Just because I like math doesn't mean I don't like anything else.
Math is a subject.
Okay. I'm glad you said that too. Let me expand your vision when it comes to a subject. So you guys hear the word subject, you can immediately think in school. Math, science, history, geography, things like that. Why can't something outside of school be a subject like finance? Can that be a subject? How about manufacturing? Can that be a subject? Those are subjects too. So there's literally nothing on this planet that I'm not really interested in. Why? Because I love learning. And I want to encourage you guys to have that same appreciation.
She said make clips.
Love knowledge, love information, love wisdom, love understanding anything else. One more. I'm going to answer your earlier question. How the things working? So you asked about division. Division and fraction. Okay, I got you on that. Is there a?
I don't have a pen.
Oh, you don't have one. How does this work?
You can draw with your finger right there.
How do you do with your phone?
I don't, because I don't have a pen.
Oh, okay. So let me do it on the board then.
Okay.
Okay, believe it or not, fractions are division problems. Didn't know that.
I'm bad.
You did?
So,
Okay, so you can come explain to me.
let me write it
Hang
down.
on one second. You wanted me to show you? I'm going to show you.
All right.
So a problem like 8 divided by 2. That division symbol is literally the fraction bar in a fraction. So 8 divided by 2 can be written as 8 over 2. And you guys are in the 5th grade? So I would imagine you guys have learned long division or something like that. Okay. So that means 8 divided by 2 equals 8 over 2, which also equals 8. All 3 of them are literally the same exact thing. And I know you guys have learned different ways to solve each one.
Let me back up.
First of all, did I answer your question? The fractions and division problems are literally the same. Okay?
Yeah, but I was just wondering about the last one.
Boy, I gotta go too. So if there's nothing else, thank you guys very much for inviting me.